Here's our friend Mrs. Claus baking cookies, and she's got plenty of help helping her this season. And here are all our busy little workers. I'd like to wish you all a happy festive season. This is our first attempt at actually putting together a model Christmas village. And I know there are plenty of imperfections, and of course it's come at a great sacrifice that my magnificent hi-fi needs to be buried under some snow at the moment. But as you can see, it certainly tips off a magnificent little setting to an otherwise already breathtaking shelf. Of course, our magnificent Christmas homes that are all decorated with all the wonderful coziness that you would expect in there. Christmas trees are all up, decorations are all hung, and on a nice chilly evening, of course, you can rest assured, because on Cold FM, Josef is inside his DJ booth there, spinning all the hits that you absolutely love to hear this time of year. Don't despair. Oh, there's a little deer. And oh dear me, let us not forget, it wouldn't be a complete Christmas if we didn't travel over to another, oh, there's another one. Some children playing underneath a pear tree. And what is that we see? Ah yes, the partridge in the pear tree. So ladies and gentlemen, wishing you and all of your family all the very best for this festive season, and looking forward to seeing you all in the new year. Merry Christmas.